In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change AM and PM in Windows 11. This is a useful skill that can help personalize your computer experience. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key and the letter R at the same time. This action opens the Run box on your screen. Once the Run box appears, type in the letters i10l.cpl and then press Enter. This command is crucial because it directly opens the classic region window. You will see a window pop up that contains various settings related to regional formats. This window holds the key to changing your AM and PM settings. Next, look for the Formats tab at the top of the region window. At the bottom of this tab, you will find a button labeled Additional Settings. Click on this button. This step is essential because it will lead you to more specific settings related to time formats. Once you click it, a new window will appear, allowing you to customize your time display. Now, a new Customize Format window will pop up in front of you. In this window, you will see several tabs at the top. Click on the Time tab to access the time settings. This tab is where the magic happens, as it allows you to modify how AM and PM are displayed on your computer. You should now see options that let you customize your time formats. Once you are in the Time tab, locate the text boxes for the AM symbol and the PM symbol. They are usually labeled clearly. These boxes are where you will input your desired custom text. This step is important because it allows you to personalize how times are shown on your system. It can make your computer feel more like yours, and you will appreciate seeing your custom terms every day. Next, delete the default text AM and PM in those boxes. After clearing them, type in your desired custom text. You might want to use labels like morning and night, or even fun symbols such as a sun for AM and a moon for PM. This personalization adds a unique touch to your device. It's a simple change, but it can significantly affect how you perceive time on your computer. Now make sure to check the Time Format section above. Confirm that your time format uses lowercase tt in it, like HMIMTT. This little detail is crucial because the TT tells Windows to display your custom AM and PM text correctly. If you miss this step, your changes might not appear as you expect. Once you have made all the necessary changes, it's time to save them. Click the Apply button at the bottom of the Customize Format window. Then click OK to close that window. This action confirms your changes, ensuring that they are saved and ready to be used. You will see your customized terms reflected immediately in your time display. Finally, you need to go back to the main region window. Here, click the Apply button and then OK once again. This step finalizes all the changes you have made throughout this process. It's like giving a final confirmation that tells Windows to implement all your custom settings. After this, your computer will reflect the new AM and PM symbols you have chosen. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the AM and PM settings in Windows 11. Enjoy your personalized time display, and remember, these small adjustments can really enhance your experience on your device. Thank you for watching.